Hello everyone, this is Chad Fox with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Featured in this video is a 2003 Catalina 320. Really nice boat. Owners are taking good care of her. They were just actually out sailing a couple days before me taking this video. I'll just give you a good look. Forward, she does have a windlass. Both sails are in good condition according to the sellers. Serviced and actually a newer main, which they have taken down. Couple things you don't commonly see on boats like this: the solar and the wind. Very spacious cockpit in these boats. A couple stern seats. There are pictures of the electronics, so please look at the listing. That also has a description. We've got 2 sets of clutches and forward winches. And now we'll take a walk inside. Immediately to port is your galley. Twin sink. Plenty of storage. 2-burner propane stove. Microwave, refrigeration. Does have hot water. So then if you go immediately to starboard, that goes into your aft cabin. Queen size. Lots of space. Very bright back here. Closet. Moving forward slightly to port is the head. Removable faucet for the shower. Is a wet head with a sump system. Starboard U-shaped settee. Table does drop down. This makes a bed. On the port side is your single settee and doubles as your nav station seat. And as you move forward, you have the guest or V berth. Again, if you sleep with your head up top, there's enough room for 2 people. Hatch lets in plenty of light, or it does have a shade. And give you a view facing the opposite direction. That will conclude our video for this 2003 Catalina 320. My information is coming up, so please reach out for a private showing. Hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Thanks for watching, and safe boating, everyone.